this greatest common divisor of strings question. So to do this, actually, we need to do two things. So first of all, we need to do a judgment whether this toString has a greatest common divisor. And the second part is to know what is that greatest common divisor. So it actually can be really fancy. You can write like a one-liner to do this. So let's return. It could be an empty because we can't find any greatest common divisor. So if string1 plus string2 was not equal to string2 plus string1, and else we can utilize the GCD function of the Python 3. So this will be word one, the string 1 GCD length string 1 string 2. To verify why this string 1 plus string 2 unequal string 2 plus string 1 is correct, we can use like the example 1 and 2 to know it. Actually, this is just string 1 is equal to GCD times 2, and string 2 is GCD times 1. And for the example 2 is the same. String 1 was equal to GCD times 3, and string 2 is equal to GCD times